Hi beauties, welcome back. Here's the design I'm going to be showing you guys today. Prepping everything before I get started, gluing my tips. I know you guys are going to be like, why now, Myra? Why are you putting Halloween nails up today? Well, I had this in my storage, so why not share it with you guys? It just never got uploaded. And I'm always making sure to glue those tips on nicely, blending and etching the tips. These are our coffin clear tips, guys. They're amazing. I love them. Using a rose gold nail tip cutter and making sure they're nicely shaped and even. Now we're pretty much just cleansing the nail downward, prepping dehydrator and primer. Now we're using our number 16 acrylic Kolinsky brush for this application. We're just using a clear acrylic and we're making sure that everything is nicely laid on there. If you guys want to learn more about how to properly lay the foundation and get amazing retention, check out our online nail course. Everything will be listed in the description below. And like you've seen there, I'll make sure that, everything is nicely adhered and applied close to the cuticle but not entirely touching the cuticle. And look how nice that was added. Like I said, if you guys want to learn more, check out our online nail course for that. Making sure we shape as we build. And then this is a little trick here. I clean it up and then put everything in the plastic bag. Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My Beginner's Acrylic Nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician. Now we're filing. We file the sidewalls first using our 8100 grit file. And these are amazing files, by the way. Now we're using a carbide and then moving on with our sanding band. We are using our electric drill for this process. I absolutely love it. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I highly encourage you guys to get it. And buffing underneath the nail. A lot of people don't like this process, but I do. I don't like leaving my clients with sharp nails. We're using number 68 gel polish and it's a pretty cute purple. And we're applying it on the marble palette and we're doing some Frenchies. Now this is another method of doing the French as well. Apply it, clean it up with our bestseller cleanup brush. Definitely check that out, guys. This is a major help when it comes to French tips. And we're just cleaning it up with our brushes. Now we're adding a black Frenchie as well, just like an outline. And this is a little hard, so just make sure to be patient with this. And then we're adding our cute little stitching with our brush. Now we're doing a little pumpkin, filling that in. And the red I'm using is our number 50. We are sold out, but we will be restocking soon, so stay tuned for that. And this marble palette, guys, is so amazing. I love using it. And this is a cute, simple design, guys. Like I said, if you guys are not following us on Instagram and are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button. We are always posting nail related content. And if you guys want to see more things, just comment down below what you'd like to see next and we'll go ahead and do so. Now we're adding some cute little eyes. I made a mistake and did them again, and now look how easy that was to clean. Now we're adding a matte for this cute pumpkin. I just feel like it exposes it more and it just makes it look nice and pop. Now we're adding our diamond top coat to the rest of the nails and curing for 1 minute. Look how shiny that is. Super easy, super cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in our next video.